This video explains the process of how a student can register for next year's courses using Campus Portal. Student registration can be done from a school laptop or from any computer to which the student has internet access. To access the portal login screen, go to the following website. Enter your portal username and password. Click the Login button. This will bring the user to the main portal page. Click the Course Registration option from the index on the left side of the screen. Any required courses that have been established and already inputted by school counselors and/or administrators will be listed in the required course list. Students cannot change any required courses listed for them. Here is an example of a course registration. Request the number of units needed. This is indicated by the units marked. The first number, 8, tells how many credits the students have requested. The second number, 16, tells how many total units are needed. Step 1. Click the course search link. A search screen will appear. Step 2. Courses can be searched by the course name or by the course number. Example, course name, English, or course number 059043. Step 3. Click the Go button. Matching course names will appear to the right. Step 4. Click on any courses listed to view the course description. Step 5. To request this course as part of the schedule for next year, click Request this course. Courses also can be requested as alternates. Alternate classes will be placed on a student's schedule if other classes are full. Step 6. When finished requesting courses, click the Print Request Summary option at the top of the screen to print a report of the courses that were requested. Thank you for registering for next year's courses. And remember, it's a great day to be a Viking.